I'm going to call this video the $100 challenge. Why, you ask? Because I'm going to see how long it takes for me to make $100. My dash starts at 1:30. Start the clock. What's up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie. Steph delivers. You know. If this is your first time here, I want to thank you for watching. But if you want to stay hooked up in the loop, hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss anything. So let's get into this, y'all. Before I start my day, I got to hit up the Quick Quack car wash. Because my car is a hot mess. And I ain't having it. No way, buddy. So let me pull all in the Quick Quack and get this car wash. Well, that didn't take too long. I got a delivery update even before I got to my location. So I'm going to take this because Pete's Brew House is right in back of me, less than a mile away. Rolling. Alright guys, so I just dropped that delivery off. Pretty cool. Took about 10 minutes to get to the customer's house. Let's keep it moving. See you on the other side. Alright guys, second order. Walking into Chipotle. See what's up. Alright guys, I was in and out of Chipotle in 2 minutes. No kidding, 2 minutes. I'm away to the customer's house. 5 minutes away. See you on the other side. Alright guys, after I delivered my second order, I think, I got another order. I didn't even leave the parking lot of the business I was at. I just stayed there. It wasn't a hot spot area. And about 5 minutes later, I got another delivery update. And it's about 5 minutes away. Going to Mai Tai. So I'm going to hit up Mai Tai and I'm going to head to the customer's house. I'll see y'all on the other side. Alright guys, I dropped off that third order. It's about 8 miles out. Made my way back. I just turned down the wrong, no I didn't. And I'm on my way to pick up some pizza. Trademark Pizza Company. Make your own pizza. They bake it right in front of you. Pretty awesome joint. I'm going in. Cooking it up. I think the order's ready. So I'll see y'all on the other side. Alright guys, I got a golden nugget tip for you. It's actually a common sense tip, but I'm going to call it a golden nugget tip. Put it in your pocket, put it on lockdown. Alright, when you're picking up pizza, remember the cheese and the peppers. You know, little packs? You're going to have to ask for them because 99.9% of the time, the restaurant employee will not give you them. So, do that, alright? The customer would appreciate it. Alright, so I just delivered a pizza to the customer. And I told him, I said, hey, if you go back to the app, do you mind rating me 5 stars? And he looked at me like, huh? He's like, I never really do that. He asked me if that really helped us. And I was like, it totally helps us. And, I got back to my car and I actually texted him. I said, a 5-star rating actually helps us keep our job. So whether he rated me or not, I don't know. I guess I'll see at the end of the day or so. But that's what I do. I've started doing recently to see if I can get my ratings up. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. On to the next one. I'm just in wait mode. It's about 4:02 p.m. So I've been dashing for 3 hours. And 3 hours has only yielded me, what, 30 bucks?
Continue on Pleasant Grove Boulevard for 2 miles.
Something like that. But you got to expect lower payouts if it's in between like lunch and dinner. Dinner time's coming up. I expect higher payouts. So, hey, we'll see. I think I may be able to pull this off by 9:30, 10. We'll see. All right, the $100 challenge. Next up, we got Firehouse Subs. I walked in the joint, I walked out the joint, boom, bam, done, back in my car, ready to deliver this guy's food. Deuces. Yeah, man, this is Lucille's. Best barbecue around. I'm not even playing. Just picked up an order there, walked in, walked out, 2 minutes, on my way to the customer. Woo, I just dropped off that order, all that barbecue. Smells so good up in my ride, let me tell you. I swiped it after I delivered it. Bam! Check it out. Ended up being an $18 order. Pretty sweet. I dig that. All right, next. See you on the other side, y'all. I think that's one coming in now. Deuces. This is Zest's Kitchen. They got all kinds of fresh stuff, a lot of vegetarian stuff, gluten-free stuff. Very fresh. Very earthy in here. Love it. Nice and fresh spot. It's getting hot in here. They ain't taking off nothing. Alright, y'all. So I just dropped off the order from Zest's Kitchen. As soon as I dropped it off, I got a double order. On my way to Chipotle and Lazy Dog. One's for 7, one's for 6. So might as well just knock 2 out real quick. I'll see how it goes as far as what the app tells me to deliver first and what I think is best to deliver first. Just keep in mind, you don't have to do it in ABC order. If it makes sense to do it in CDAB order, then do it in that order. But communicate with the customer that you're on another delivery, that you're on another pickup, whatever the issue is, all right? All right, I'll see y'all on the other side. All right, guys, so I ended up taking the first customer's order to her house because it was just so close. There was no need for me to go to the second restaurant first. So all you have to do is click jump to task. If it takes you to that second restaurant, click the customer's name and it'll take you back to get her directions to that customer's house. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I didn't follow DoorDash's instructions as far as going to the second restaurant after I picked up from the first restaurant. All right, on my way to the second restaurant now. I think pickup time was at 6:05. It is about 6:02, so I'm still on schedule. All right, guys, see you on the other side. And yeah, the restaurant's like a minute away. Bye. This is the biggest Lazy Dog I've ever seen. This restaurant is jumping off. It's kind of new in our area. Let's go check it out. The coolest part about this restaurant, you can bring your dog. It's pretty amazing. Yeah. They have a dog park in the back. It's crazy. It's huge. Look at the trees. Use as decoration. Pretty much. Sports bar. Pretty cool. Man, guys, I'm not even gonna play right now. I almost didn't make it to that customer's house. This lady pulled straight out in front of me while I'm traveling at 45 miles an hour down a busy street. She's trying to go over my side, trying to get to the shopping center. But literally, I had to swerve. Like, I don't even know how I did it. Luckily, there was no car in the way when I'm swerving to the left. And then I end up going, you know, the wrong way. The wrong side of the street. I end up driving down the wrong side of the street just to get out of the lady's way. Luckily, there was no cars in sight. I was able to flip a U-ey while I'm driving just a little bit, you know, down the road. Man, she was kind of old too, but you know what? Man, I'm blessed. I'm blessed to even be talking to y'all right now. I'm serious. So you guys be careful out there. Always drive defensively. That was scary as heck. That was hecka scary. I'll see y'all on the other side on my way to Old Spaghetti Factory. I don't like going to Old Spaghetti Factory because they always make you wait. Well, let's see if things have changed. I'll see y'all on the other side. All right, so yeah, I'm here. It's Old Spaghetti Factory. It's a wait as usual. I hope it's not 30 minutes. I walked in. There's two other Dashers there. They're waiting too. So let's hope we get this show on the road real soon. All right, see you guys on the other side. All right, guys, had to go back to Trademark Pizza Company. Another pizza order. I'm on my way to the customer's house. $11 for this order. So about $6 more or so, and then it'll be $100. So one more order and I'll be good on my $100 challenge. So I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, so I just did my last pickup and delivery. PF Chang's, in and out, 10 minutes or so. Great day. It did take quite a long time to get to that $100 mark. But hey, it's all good. Had I done this during dinner hours, it would have been a lot faster. But here's the breakdown right here. Check it out. So until next time, y'all be safe out there. For real. God bless you. God loves you. Deuces, y'all.